Installing Slack on any Android phone is a quick and simple process that only takes a few minutes. To begin, unlock your Android device and make sure you are connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, open the Google Play Store, which comes pre-installed on most Android phones. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Slack. Press the search icon to view the results. From the list of apps, locate the official Slack application developed by Slack Technologies. You can identify it by its colorful S logo on a white background. Selecting the official app is important to ensure you download the genuine and secure version. Tap on the app, then press the install button. The download and installation process will begin automatically. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, this may take a few moments. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Slack. If you already have a Slack account, sign in using your email address or your organization's workspace credentials. If you are new to Slack, you can create an account by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, you can join workspaces, send direct messages, participate in team channels, share files, and receive notifications to stay connected with your team. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Slack on your Android phone. You are now ready to collaborate with coworkers, communicate in real time, and manage your projects from anywhere using the Slack mobile app.